Alright, so welcome back everybody to Outlast Whistleblower. Oh. Okay. Radio interpretation. The radio interpretation, shortwave. If it's electronic, I can make it talk. Make it work for me. There's hope, Lisa. I'm coming home to you. My mistake was subtlety. Like you always said. I thought leaking information to a fusion journalist was the safer way. I didn't want to spotlight the attention. Murkoff is dangerous. You know that I thought I had to be subtle for her sake, Lisa, for the boy. But I should have exposed what Murkoff is doing to the world. I should have showed it to anyone and everyone. I can't die, not before I reach the radio. They can't cover this up now. It's too broken, too dangerous. Oh, that's my leg.
You're scared. You're not thinking straight. Let me make something clear. You try the radio outside your house. I'm going to give you a whole new something to be scared of. Yes.
Hi, buddy. Hi. You have a lot of growing here. Whoa! Yeah! Wait a second. What the hell? What is this leg doing?
Help me, please. I'm a doctor. I need to get hold of my... You're not security. I'm a patient like you. Stole these clothes from a dead body I found. You gotta get me out of here. Please, just push the button. Open the door. We can get out of here. No! 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 Doctor! Liar! No!
I'd never seen a man die before today. Never seen a dead body outside of a coffin. Dozens today. I murdered, and worse. I look into one man's eyes. Another tore him to pieces. Claimed he was a doctor. Then saw the rocks to dress me in. And changed his story. Said he was a patient. Could have been either. They're all crazy, all sick. No real difference between them now. The therapy is breathing. And what am I? I watched this man die in Lollydog. It's not me, thank God. I know I'll die someday. I don't want to be murdered. Hi! Fuck, wrong way! What? No! No! I wasn't the beast! I wasn't the place! Why did you do that to me? Why did you have to do that to me? Run! Over here.
Another one's coming!
No, I'm intelligent. Let me. Oh. Cannot go there. Can't go there. Oh, document. Not today. Not right now. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna let you read that, guys, if you want to. I might go check that later. You can pause that. Alright, so let's get back to work. That might not be the place where I want to go. Oh god, I think it's the only place I can go right now. Nope. I'm septic right now. I don't. Where am I supposed to go? Nope. Ah. There must be batteries someplace. Somewhere here. Nope. Oh god, no. Shh, 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 shh. Oh fuck. No, don't stop. Don't stop. There's nothing to worry about. Oh god. Oh. What? Oh!
Don't you look at us. I love him.
Wait. What? Don't ask to see my body, listen. When I die, when you finish the lawsuit, that lets you pry this footage from Markov Army of Liar. Corporate, don't make them show you my body. Just bury it. Or burn it. Let my sons remember me well. That man is eating human flesh. He look at me and I see anger, a little bit desire, but more than anything, anger. Please don't make them show you my body. Oh, God. Alright, I'm get going. God.
I made it. I think it's safe. Can you climb up? I'm coming, Cooper. I just have to lock the... There. I'm coming. Hold on.
Oh.
I have to feed.
Dinner bells.
Hi! Don't eat me! Don't eat me! Ah! Don't eat me! Alright, so thank you everybody for watching. I'm gonna leave this episode here. And as always, I'm gonna see you in the next video. So I hope to see you next time. Ooh. And remember, dog teeth, you were fresh.